Okay, today I'm going to show you this layout for the floor, and this starting tile dictates the rest of the room. Alright, so with no further ado, let's get to it. I'll show you. Okay, I had the shim off of the toe kick here at my starting tile, alright? First thing I did is I took my 6-foot level, I put it against my toe kick right here underneath my cabinet, alright? And I marked this outer edge, alright? Then I measured forward to the width of my tile. Alright, then I put my level down and I drew a pencil line all the way down, alright, to the very end. Alright, now to double check it, I bring my level. Okay, I bring it right up against the tile, and if there's any imperfections in or out, alright, you can then make those adjustments, and that's why I have a small gap back here at the back, and then I shim it against the toe kick. You could use wooden shims, wooden spacers, however you want to do that, alright, so that this outer edge is straight, because this dictates the rest of the floor. Now this is a leveling system. That's what these red shims are, alright. These are your spacers, okay, and then the shim goes through here and it makes this tile level on top, so you have no lippage. Now, you have to make sure it's solid on the bottom with your thinset, alright? And we'll get to that. Alright, so remember, this dictates the rest of the floor. Okay, and as you see, we've got a nice straight line here, which the rest of this floor should come out without having to cut any angles on the pieces that go against the shower curb back here, and it should finish off, okay? But we'll get to the rest of this here in just a minute. All right. Okay, got that nice and thick. All right, let's get her on the tile. All right, now we're getting ready to back butter. Okay. This floor, like most floors, is not completely level, and so to make up for the imperfections so that you have a good solid base, okay, so that your tile is solid and don't have any air gaps, we're going to back butter this, which will make up for the imperfections in the floor so that there's a solid surface underneath this tile which prevents crackage or breakage later. Okay, so this is going to be completely solid. Okay, that's the purpose of this back buttering. Okay. Now they say you can have like a 20% gap, but we don't want any gaps. We want this solid. Okay. All right. Put this first one down. Okay. That lined up. Okay, now we're going to put our spacers. Also our leveling system. All right. All right, got these in place. Now we can layer next. Okay, that's where the shims come in. All right. Okay, this is not going to go in there. All right, that's level. That's all that matters. All right. Okay. Okay, nice. All right. Okay, there are the shims. The levelers are right. And And these will make your tile level, but you want it solid on the joint, alright? Got a little fill, but you want it solid. Okay, now that this is nice and straight, okay, you can dial this in. Okay, now this is part one of, actually part two. I've got this first row here, this first course, straight. This sets the foundation for the rest of this tile. If this is off 1/8 of an inch here, by the time I get to that back wall, I'll be off 3/8. 7/16 off. So this is real important that this is straight, so it goes straight across the floor without any angles. And that's why this is so critical. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Thank you for the support. Appreciate your time and comments. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. If I'm able to answer them, I'm more than happy to do so. So, bye for now. God bless. Hang tough. Never give up, because there's always a way. Always united we stand, and united we make it happen here on YouTube. So bye for now.